Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala in this board. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you all about 3 different types of content that attract right audience. I'm keeping cream yellow dot in the center. I'm keeping purple dots. If you are an artist posting randomly and hoping to get students or buyers, I want you to stop. You need strategy, not guesswork. Let me discuss with you all about 3 different types of content that attract the right audience when you post the content every single week. There are so many artists who pour in their heart into beautiful creations, but when it comes to Instagram, they just post randomly and hope people will like, follow, and buy. I'm keeping tiny purple dots. See, what you need to understand is Instagram is not just a gallery. It is your marketing studio, your teaching platform, and your sales machine. And just like your art, your Instagram needs structure and intention. I'm keeping light blue dots. But the problem is, most artists treat Instagram like a scrapbook. They post only when they feel inspired. They share what looks pretty. And they wonder why they are not getting students or buyers. But the truth is, getting likes and getting clients are not the same thing. Likes are nice, but they don't pay your bills. To attract the right people, the ones who wants to learn from you or buy from you, you need to post the content that does 3 things. 1, positions you as an expert. 2, that builds emotional trust. And 3, that helps people take inspired action. I'm keeping tiny blue dots. And no, you don't have to post every single day, but you do need to post the right type of content every single week. If you consistently share 3 kinds of content, no matter your follower count, your Instagram will grow. I'm keeping yellow dots in oval shape. So if you share those 3 kinds of content consistently every single week, you will start seeing the right audience coming to you. Students, buyers, brand deals, collaborators. Don't you think that is what exactly we want to happen in our Instagram account? I'm keeping brushstrokes in purple. Okay, what are those 3 types of content? Now I'm going to tell you one by one. Take a lot of notes. The first type of content is authority building content. So what is this authority content? This shows your audience that you know your art. You can teach or you can sell it too. So how do I show my authority or how do I build my authority through content? Let me give you a few tips which I personally followed. So the first one is, you can show a time lapse of your art process. You can also add a voiceover explaining any one key technique, if not the entire artwork, at least any one key technique or principle you can explain using your own voice. Or you can post a carousel teaching a particular tip or trick. Now, for an example, you can post about how do I keep perfect symmetry in my dot mandalas. I'm keeping brushstrokes in light blue. Now, one more technique for authority content is you go live once in a week, either in your YouTube or in your Instagram, whichever platform you are comfortable with. Or you can post a short reel teaching a very small concept. And these kind of content positions you as a go-to expert, not as a hobbyist. Let's talk about the second type of content, which helps you to build connection with your audience. Now, people don't buy from you just because you say you are an expert in that field. People buy from you only if they feel a connection and trust. And generally, trust is built only when you feel connected to the person. So, people to buy from an artist, they definitely have to have trust. And for trust to develop, they need to feel connected. So, show them the artist behind the art. Some of the things that you can really do to help people feel connected to you is you can post behind the scenes clips, probably your setup, your messy table, or maybe about your morning routine too. You can share your personal stories too. Why you started with art? What kind of struggles have you overcome? And posting this fun facts with trending audio is basically to show your personality to your audience. I'm keeping purple dots so people connect with you first and then the art. Now, the third type of content is conversion driven content. You, as an artist, is not on Instagram only for the likes. You are there to sell, you are there to teach, you are there to serve, impact people, and probably transform their lives. Initially, as an artist, when I started up with Instagram, I didn't understand the importance of these three different types of content that I'm discussing with you all about. I just post random, no captions, no hashtags, and there are a lot of things that I really missed. But once I learned all of these under a mentorship of someone, things changed drastically. So, for the third one, conversion driven content, probably one of the posts could be join my 10 hours live classes. And when you post something like that, you cannot just say join my 10 hours live classes. Nobody is going to join. Give them some details. I'm keeping tiny dots in yellow. So we were talking about giving details. Now if you say join my 10 hours live masterclass, you need to tell them what to expect in that 10 hours. And that needs to be conveyed in a way people would connect with you instantly. A lot of psychological work involved. And if you have sold some artwork already, you can post the pictures of your artwork hanging in your client's place, and then you can say DM to buy this 36-inch artwork. So when someone would like to buy, they would also like to know how does it look when it is hanged on the wall. So if you can already show such a picture and say DM to buy this artwork, you can expect some DMs. I'm keeping light blue dots. And after joining your classes, if your student has successfully created a beautiful dot mandala, or if your student is progressing really well, those progress pictures or fully completed pictures by your students along with your student's face can be posted in your Instagram. And then if you drive conversion saying, these are my students win, and if you also want to win like this, DM for the live masterclass. So these kind of content will really drive your audience towards buying your artwork or towards joining your classes. And most importantly, what I would like to share with all of you is, do not be afraid to sell. There are a lot of artists who come and say, Radha, if I try to sell, I feel like I'm pushing something. If I try to sell, I fear that my audience may feel that I am trying to extract their money. And then I ask, are you really extracting money from them and not giving anything back to them? They say, no, Radha, I'm not actually doing it. I'm giving a lot of value back than what I am paid for. That's what majorly people say. I'm keeping tiny yellow dots. So if you're giving a lot of value in return, it's not an extracting activity. Selling is actually a spiritual activity. Just because you're charging for your products and services, you don't become bad. I would rather say, if you do not charge anything for your services or products, that is only bad. So don't be afraid to sell or convert your audience into buyers or students. Once you finish selling and something comes to your bank account, the amount of pride and confidence that you feel cannot be matched with anything else. I'm keeping yellow dots. To summarize whatever we have been discussing, you need to be posting 3 different types of content weekly, every single week. 1, authority building content, and number 2, connection building content, and number 3, conversion driven content. Now, initially when you listen to these 3 types of content and you posting it every week, maybe you can think, oh my god, this looks like one big adventure. I'm keeping purple dots. So if you feel that this process is a kind of adventure, not a problem, because at the beginning it is. But with your calm mind, planned and determined action, this adventure can become a cakewalk. And the moment you feel this adventure is becoming a cakewalk, you will start seeing results. I'm walking the dots in purple. And by the time all these content posting process becoming a cakewalk, you would have stopped chasing followers and you would have started attracting students and buyers. And that is exactly what I mean by results too. And this is exactly what I teach inside my internship program. How to create content that doesn't just look good but converts it into income. If you are an artist who wants to earn from your art, not just keeping it as hobby, WhatsApp me the word intern and I'll share all the details to you. I'm keeping brushstrokes in blue. So join my 6 months intense art monetization internship program and let us turn your visual art into abundance. I'll keep brushstrokes in purple. I'll keep brushstrokes in blue. I'll keep yellow dots in oval shape. I'll keep purple dots in floral shape. I'll keep some light blue dots. I'm sure this mandala is easy for you to recreate and the message that was given in this video was easy for you to implement. Thank you for watching.